Welcome to ToolWorks. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Bundles feature. Bundles are a great way to group tools that are frequently checked out together, saving you time and ensuring your teams always have exactly what they need for a specific job. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to create and use a bundle. To create a bundle, go to the Bundles page in the left-hand navigation. Click the Create button. Enter a name and a description for your new bundle. Next, click Add Tools to select the items you'd like to include. Click the Add button next to each tool you want in the bundle. Once you've added all your items, click Close. Review the tools and quantities you've added. When you're ready, click Create. A confirmation message will appear, and your new bundle will be listed on the Bundles page. To use your bundle, navigate to the Tools page. Click the Select a Bundle button. Find the bundle you want to use and click on it. The tools from that bundle will be automatically added to your cart, ready to be assigned, requested, or transferred. And that's how simple it is to create and use bundles in ToolWorks. This powerful feature helps standardize your toolkits and drastically speeds up the checkout process. Ready to give it a try? Log into your ToolWorks account to create your first bundle today. For more tips and tutorials, visit our Help Center or subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.